Good afternoon, and welcome to the Eagle Check-In. This is Hearne ISD, where eagles soar. In Hearne ISD, we celebrate great things happening for every student, every day, because we believe in keeping the main thing, and that is student success. We can only do that with you, in partnership between Hearne ISD and the surrounding community of Hearne, Texas. This week's Eagle Check-In highlights some community resources available to you and your students as we talk about workplace readiness, helping our students learn to work and making sure they have a chance to work to learn. We believe students should be given a solid foundation to grow academically where they can pursue their dreams, because we want to develop every child to be a lifelong learner, productive citizen, and future ready. There are a few things that we've done in Hearne ISD in partnership with the surrounding community in recent days. Just this week, the Academic Fun Night with Gear Up highlighted some excellent work-based learning resources and other life resources that our students and families can access through our partners to ensure they are ready for the workplace and beyond. Thank you to our partners and those who attended for making this event such a great success. We look forward to many more like it. Also in Hearne ISD lately, we had the College and Career Fair, which you saw on the previous slide. We also unveiled the SOARX Work-Based Learning Project just a few weeks ago. So we want to ensure our students are given access to resources, they have chances to experience different experiences as they prepare their knowledge and skills for the workforce. There are a lot of careers out there. Our students have varied interests, and they should be allowed to pursue their interests in the way that makes the most sense for them. We will have many resources linked in the video comments, including those from our partners at Workforce Solutions and those from our partners from our community partners meetings that happen approximately monthly. We are all in this together to prepare our students for work beyond high school, and we look forward to continuing this work with you. Now on your screen are some upcoming events. Please check them out and pause your screen to see more details if you need to see. Importantly, coming up is STAAR testing. The first day of STAAR testing in Hearne ISD is April 9th. Specific dates for each campus in Hearne ISD are shown on your screen now. These events are sponsored by Hearne ISD and our partners in the Hearne ISD community. Learn more about any of these events at hearneisd.com and visiting the Parents and Community menu at the top. If you have a calendar request and you'd like to include your organization's event in our weekly and monthly newsletters, make sure you fill out the form on the website. So make sure you check in weekly and read our new newsletter to keep up to date of all the great things happening in and around Hearne ISD. You can also connect with us on Facebook or X. This is Hearne ISD, where eagles soar. Thanks for checking in, Eagles. We'll see you next week. Have a great weekend.